Hey guys, and welcome back to the Fiercely Civil channel. So recently, I realized how many views we got on the fall haul video. First of all, thank you so much. Second of all, that just means that I need to produce more fall stuff for you, and it is my favorite thing to do. So for today, I'm going to be going through fall clothing, but sweater edition. Showing you today is going to definitely be some old purchases, some new purchases, just a little bit of everything. You may have seen them in previous fall hauls from this year as well as last year, but I really want to show you guys how to optimize on what you already have and bring it into like the 2020 style. Make sure that you're cozy, comfy. Leisure wear is really big right now, but you want to be cute, you want to be stylish, and I have all the best options for you today. One thing I love about sweaters is that there's so many different types of sweaters that today's video I'm going to break them down into 3 essential ones that you need in your wardrobe right now. It's kind of going to be an ode to the beginning of fall, and that is a cardigan. Now, I know cardigans have definitely been coming back in style recently, but have they ever gone out of style? I feel like no. Maybe how you wear them, but cardigans themselves have been stunting since day one. So I'm going to show you 2 different options. One's lighter and more colorful, and one's more thicker and more cozy, but also lighter in color palette. If you've been with my channel for a bit, and I mean, it's a small channel and it's pretty new, so I kind of doubt it, but both of these options are from my first fall video, my first fall haul video. So we have the beautiful beige, which I will show you on in a minute. But I absolutely love this color. It is definitely a fall color. Like, let's be real. It's a neutral that goes with everything, but it still adds a layer of color and depth into your outfit. But it's also very, very cozy. Speaking of cozy, this is probably my coziest, and I feel like this might even be my go-to from fall into winter, just because you can dress it up, dress it down. You can put a long sleeve under it and it's gonna be the warmest freaking thing you've ever worn, or you can have a t-shirt under it, and because the knit is kind of breezy, it has has holes in it. It makes it a little bit more airy, but still kind of just like the comfort you need, you know? So it is this guy. Now I love it because it looks comfortable. It looks like the fuzziest thing you've ever wanted to. Like, it's a cold morning, you know you're putting this on. But also the salt and pepper, it makes it so that it goes with everything, but it's not just basic. You know, this isn't basic. This is very chic, very minimal, but the cut of it, the coloring of it, you can see right here it has the, no you can't. Right here it has pockets as well, and I mean, we are all here for the pockets. But this is definitely a more mid to late fall option. Going from an add-on option, we now have to go back to the main parts of the outfit, and I call this a full sweater just because it's not necessarily add-on. It's a main piece of your outfit, and you need a stunt either way. For these, I definitely subcategorize them. I have oversized and I have fitted. Now, oversized, you'll see my last fall haul. Yes, I'm gonna keep referencing my videos because, I mean, you'll see first impressions and you'll see how they look on me. But I have the evergreen sweater, which was like one of the essentials of the whole fall. I freaking love it, and I've overworn it ever since. But it's a beautiful color, but it's one color and it will go with everything. It's a very timeless piece, but it's also thick and oversized. So if I want to dress it up and tuck it into pants, into a skirt, I can. But also if I want to be frumpy around the house, it adds comfort and style if someone comes to my door or Zoom call all of a sudden is up in my window screen, you know what I mean? So these are the essential items that I like to personally have. My second for oversized is obviously the one I'm wearing right now. I have Norwegian shoulders. So they're very broad, they're very strong. I personally like to have an oversized sweater that has a drop cap, and I focus more on the style that is brought on the sweater and the cut of it. And you know what, also material plays a huge part for me. So definitely figuring out your body type and what will best look good on you is the best for oversized, because you don't want to look frumpy, you want to look fashion, you know? You've seen it before, you've loved it before. This is the evergreen oversized sweater. V-neck that makes it a little bit more sexy, very thick material that makes it the perfect layering option throughout fall. It just becomes too hot for summer, but perfect for fall. Love this guy. For fitted, I'll definitely have some images here for you guys, but I would go more with there's something about white that's just really nice. It's very cozy just by looking at it. It's also a really essential color and piece to bring from fall into winter because they mend together real quick. But for fitted, I like something that might be either, you can do a crop top, you can do a waist cut. It's more fitted, and then there might be pieces of it in the style of it that just add an extra little umph. So for me, for these, it's fitted, but it has these bell sleeves, and I find the bell sleeves to be absolutely gorgeous. And it also has like a nice diagonal stitching that adds a little bit more of that style that's timeless, because it's not just, you know, some next like leather cut. It's very simple. It's really just in the same design of this sweater. So pieces like this, they're gonna last you a long time. My third category is definitely more of another add-on item. Sorry, not sorry. But these are the items that I find it's so key during fall and winter to have an extra item that adds style, adds comfort, and just adds something else to your outfit. I remember having a sweater that was black, frumpy, but the warmest thing I've ever worn, and in the office it was just, I could wear a blouse and some nice pants, heels, and I put the sweater on and it just brought the whole outfit down. So you really need to put some thought into these items if this is something you care about, but put some thought behind the additional add-on items, because you are probably going to need a little bit more warmth, a little bit more, the weather's just so temperamental that you don't really know what you're going into, so being prepared for everything, but like you don't, like you look like you knew this was gonna happen. You know what I mean? Like you look suited for anything that comes for you. And for fall, it's kind of hard. Fall and spring, you kind of gotta, you know, definitely keep up with the different temperatures, the different winds, especially here in Canada. That's mainly where I come from. So it's just making sure that it is fluid, and add-on items are so key. My third category is definitely ponchos. Now, sometimes on websites they say kimonos. I find kimonos to be same concept but lighter. Ponchos to me are a lot thicker, but these are the scarf, big scarf looking items that you can just wrap yourself in, and I feel so key. Why wouldn't you bring a sweater that looks and feels like a blanket but makes you look fashionable? Like it checks all the boxes. Come on people, it checks all the boxes. The two options that I currently have is one that's lighter in material and it is more of a neutral. So I can either make a bold statement with this by like playing up what I wear underneath it, or I can just use it as a soft, cozy neutral, you know, weekend in the cabin kind of look. I also have another one that is more of a caramel. It's a little bit deeper. It has two different colors of browns, which is really nice, but also white and black. So again, I find for fall, staple pieces or staple color palettes, as long as it's like browns, like brown category or caramel category, you're kind of safe. It becomes a neutral by default. It's not just like your blacks, whites, and grays. It's definitely in the more neutrals, but it adds depth to your outfit. So you can definitely just have this as your stylistic piece and wear all black or all white or whatever the case may be, or you can make a bold look with this. So it really is in your hands and how you want to style it, and I love having the option of both. How am I feeling today? Cozy cabin or like edgy chic? Right? I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. I feel like sweaters are a key piece. When you bring them out in your wardrobe and in your fashion, you definitely know what time of year it is. You know that cold chill is in the air. You know it's gonna get darker sooner, which it currently is right now. And it's just such a mood. It's such a great mood, and to have classic pieces saves money, but also makes sure that you always look good. And I feel like that's really what fashion and style should be about. So I really hope you guys got inspired by this video and pick some options that maybe you currently have or you definitely need to add to that shopping list, just to make it so that you're stunting from fall to winter all the way through the cold, and you know, you celebrate the chill in the air and the cozy comfort that you can create at home. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. I feel like sweaters are a key piece. When you bring them out in your wardrobe and in your fashion, you definitely know what time of year it is. You know that cold chill is in the air. You know it's gonna get darker sooner, which it currently is right now. And it's just such a mood. It's such a great mood, and to have classic pieces saves money, but also makes sure that you always look good. And I feel like that's really what fashion and style should be about. So I really hope you guys got inspired by this video and pick some options that maybe you currently have or you definitely need to add to that shopping list, just to make it so that you're stunting from fall to winter all the way through the cold, and you know, you celebrate the chill in the air and the cozy comfort that you can create at home. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.